We'll guide you through how to sign up text on Discord. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to make their messages more expressive and visually different on Discord. Using simple symbols like asterisks or underscores allows users to style their text easily. This helps them highlight important words and make conversations clearer and more engaging for others. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After the browser opens, click the search field at the top of the window. Type Discord into the search field. When the search results appear, choose the official website of Discord. After that, click Login on the main page. Enter your email in the required field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Then click the Login button to access your account. After logging in, verify your account if required by following the instructions on the screen. Once your account is successfully opened, find the server you want from the list of servers on the left side of the screen. Then click the server to open it. Inside the server, look for the chat channel where you want to send your message. Click the chat field at the bottom of the screen to begin typing. Then type an asterisk in the chat field. After that, type the text you want to send. When you finish typing the text, close it with another asterisk at the end of the text. Make sure the asterisks are placed correctly at the beginning and the end of the text. After completing the format, press Enter on the keyboard, and the text will be styled automatically. The message will appear with a different style based on the symbols you used. You can also use another symbol by typing an underscore instead of an asterisk. Start by typing an underscore in the chat field. Then enter the text you want to send between the underscores. After you finish typing the text, type another underscore at the end to close the format. Make sure the underscores are placed correctly before and after the text. Once the format is complete, press Enter on the keyboard, and the text will be styled automatically in the chat. The styled text will appear in the message according to the formatting symbols you used. This process allows you to send messages with different text styles using simple symbols in Discord chat.